Hi everyone, this is Jarjar once again and welcome to my channel. I am cooking a very simple meal of cabbage soup and braised stingray today. I just need a few simple ingredients. The stingray has been marinated with oyster sauce, dark soy sauce, sesame oil, huatiao cooking wine and pepper. Let's start with the soup. When the water boils, add the cabbage. Let the heat slowly soften the cabbage and then cover the pot and boil it for another 10 minutes. Add some seasoning powder. Add the prawns. Add some pepper followed by a dash of light soy sauce for color. Give it a good mix and the soup is ready. Next, add and stir fry the ginger and chilli when the oil is ready. As the fragrance of the ginger fills the nostrils, add and stir fry the sauteed vegetables. Add the marinated stingray. I would normally stir fry the stingray for about 2 minutes before adding some water. Let the stingray simmer for another 3 minutes and the dish is ready to be served. Let's serve the cabbage soup into a bowl. Do the same for the stingray. Garnish both dishes with coriander. It's time to eat. Thank you for watching my cooking video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and I will see you again in the next video. Bye!